There's this interesting tool which we're going to learn about today, and that's Google Jamboard. The ability which allows the student to work collaboratively on a Google Jamboard frame makes Google Jamboard special and unique. It's fun yet very efficient when we teachers instill this tool in our remote class sessions.
Alright, so today let's get to know about Jamboard and its different tools one by one and eventually create some fun activities for our students. So for that, first what I have done here is we can take a fresh new Jamboard frame, a Jamboard page, and here I'm gonna quickly change the title for our Jamboard. Maybe you can give it as Jamboard Activities. Or whenever you have your particular topics names or activities that you're doing, you can give your own names to it. Jamboard Activities, and then okay. So on the very first, I would like to start with introducing a few Jamboard tools what we have. So here on the left you can see a bunch of different tools like a pen tool, an eraser tool, select tool, sticky note tool, add image tool, shapes, text box, and a laser. So all of these tools we're gonna use in our activities that we're gonna create today. So the first and the most appropriate activity one can use on a Jamboard is creating a brainstorm activity, wherein we can give children an open-ended questions. For example, here I'm gonna quickly take a sticky note and I'm just gonna put up a question like, how do you feel when there is no air to breathe? Or you can just state as, how do you think you would feel when there is no air to breathe? And you can give that question, save it, and you can see there it goes. And we have got different color options as well. For now I'm just gonna go with yellow, and here I'm just gonna drag it a bit in the middle, and yeah, we are ready to go with it. So then when you share it with your students, you can see a share option here. When you click on it, and make sure you don't keep it private and make it to all the students with the school domains ID. So what students can do there is they can take their own sticky notes, maybe then type their names like maybe Abhinav, and they could put up their own ideas like, I would feel scared. And in the same way, there could be n number of answers coming in, responses that they're gonna give us. Response 3, and so on. So that way the students are actually participating very actively in our brainstorming activity. So this is a very great tool wherein we ask students to collaborate, to put up their ideas there. Now for getting feedback, or just to get what students have understood about a topic, one can make a simple Jamboard frame like this, wherein we can give them a thumbs up or thumbs down, and students put up their names, just drag it, put up their or just use a sticky note and put their names up there, and then they could also give us thumbs down with their names and about the particular topic that they did not understand. So based on which we can go ahead with our reteaching and try to make them understand everything. Yeah. Yes, now let's move on to the next one. We have seen how our children are so actively, participating. They have that spirit to participate every time we throw them an activity. So this is a great collaborative work where we can assign a 4 to 5 students to each group, giving them like group 1, group 2 and group 3, so on, wherein they can write their own names and put up the sticky notes there. So when group 1 is discussing about their ideas on a given topic, group 2, 3, 4 and so on can discuss it, and also they can get ready for their own topics. So this is a great team collaborative activity which we can give them. Another great activity to do on Jamboard is this 3 things, wherein using the sticky notes, the students can put up, first of all, a teacher could give them a question like, what are the most important points you have grabbed from our read and discussed topic. Now the students are going to put up their own ideas about the different things that they have grabbed from it, the different points what they have grabbed from the topic. Yes, and they can use pictures also using the image tool, or else they can just go with the sticky notes and put up things there. They can use pen also to draw if there's some drawing that they want to do, especially in science. Now let's move ahead and get on to next activity which we can do on Jamboard, and this is highly recommended for science, and others can also use it too. This is to let the child draw. And here what they can do is basically use a pen, maybe like this, and if they want to change the color of the pen, they can use whatever the color they want. And we have got marker, highlighter and a brush too. So now if I'm choosing a pen, what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna maximize my screen and then draw here. Maybe for science we can take the different parts of a plant, different parts of a leaf. I'm gonna just draw here, so the student could do it that way. So after drawing the leaf, they could use a sticky note and put up the different names that they have for it, and they can do a water cycle and different things based on their creativity and the topic which we are asking them. Yeah.